Yo, guys, I literally janked myself. Look at this, man. I did not confirm my Air Jordan 4 white cements, bruh. And it literally crossed my mind so crazy. Like, I literally was like, I'm gonna wait till 5 o'clock. I'm gonna confirm my joints. I put in 40 head starts. And I go on the app around like 6. And them joints said, next time. Y'all did not secure my pair in time, bro. So now I'm about to have to try and weather the storm and grabbing the pair tomorrow on the release date. Now I know some first come first serves here in Atlanta, and it's some first come first serve in a couple different locations like Nike and stuff like that. So that is gonna be my best bet. And I literally came on YouTube a couple days ago. And I told y'all, bro, do not sleep. Don't be like, you know what I'm saying, me a couple of weeks ago or a couple months ago for the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics. Like, I slept on that release. I had to do some extra footwork on the back end. And now I'm out of that same type of thing for the Air Jordan 4 white cements, bro. I janked myself. Like, I don't know what happened, man. Like, I'm enjoying the day, chilling. I said, hold on, I'm forgetting something. Like, all day I feel like I was forgetting to do something. And yes, I forgot to confirm my Air Jordan 4 white cements, bro. So y'all gonna see a vlog tomorrow of me in line, waiting for a pair, and just let's just hope I can get a pair, because the way it's looking, bro, the way I've been seeing stuff on Instagram, Twitter, even on YouTube, like I've been seeing people already talking about how this release is gonna go. I just hope it goes very, very smoothly, bro. But your boy is salty, man. I did not confirm my pair. I can't blame it on Foot Locker for glitch or nothing like that. But if you guys had any issues today, we'll confirm them on FLX. Please let me know in the comment section. Or if you had issues with JD, I know that was a crazy, crazy day a couple days ago. But if you guys had any issues today with FLX, let me know. And let me know if you confirmed a pair on Foot Locker. Like, think about it, bro. I used 40 head starts, bro. I used 40 head starts. That's 40 head starts that I just wasted because I didn't want to confirm my pair. Hopefully, Foot Locker is generous and they, refund your boy at least 20 of the 40, because it was my fault. But then again, it wasn't. Y'all should at least send me notifications, something, bro. Like, let me find a way to what to complain about, bro. Foot Locker, why y'all didn't send me a notification, bro? Y'all did this to me, man. But it is what it is. Tomorrow gonna be a long day, bro. It's gonna be a long day tomorrow, and I can already see some crazy stuff happening, bro. So we shall see what happens. Again, I'm gonna bring you guys along the way. Comment down below. Let me know how you think tomorrow is gonna go. Is it gonna be a crazy release? Is it gonna be another Air Jordan 12 flu games where I was vlogging and there's lines everywhere? Is it gonna be another Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic where people's going crazy for them joints? Let me know how you think the release is gonna go. I just hope it goes smoothly, bro. For everybody's sake, for my sake, for my sanity, bro. I just want to walk into Nike, grab a pair, and walk out. But I did see the stock numbers, and they are a lot limited. They're like a little bit more limited than the Air Jordan 4 Rare Reimagineds, the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues, and it was only like 350, I think, 350,000, something like that. And if I find the numbers, I'm gonna screenshot and put it on the screen. But bruh, your boy's tight. This is just a vlog of me venting, bro. Like, I did this to myself, man. I did it to myself. But I guess it's forcing me to do a vlog. I've been saying I want to do vlogs more. And I got my Meta glasses. I want to use my Metas. Shout out to my boy Retro. And we shall see what happens, man. But again, comment down below. Let me know how you think tomorrow's going to go. I'm about to pull up. Look at this, man. Every time I get on my... Come on, bro. Why did you do me like that? You did not claim it in the window time, bro. Wasted 40 points. But I'm going to check StockX, see how the price is hitting for, just to see, you know what I'm saying, what's cracking with the Air Jordan 4 white cements. I should have showed you what I had on for you today. I had on the Air Jordan 4 SBs, but let me pull up Air Jordan 4 2025 white cements, and they're going for around 240, 250. So if I do take an L tomorrow, I think I will be good at finding a pair again for a decent price. Definitely coming to the collection. I don't care if I got to pay 250. It's a little bit over retail, but they definitely come into the collection. They come into the collection. But now the double up looking a little scary, bro. I'm just fighting for one pair, man. Your boy the bitch is fighting for one pair Air Jordan 4 white cements, but I should be good, guys. Y'all in the comment section, throw some 4-leaf clovers. You know what I'm saying? Give me some good luck with tomorrow's release. And shout out to everybody for tuning in today, man. I do truly appreciate it. If y'all are new here, sub up, hit the notification bell. Your boy is chilling. And yeah, just a little salty that I took an L on. I didn't even take an L. I got a W. I just confirmed. I gave myself an L. So we can chuck it up to the game. It is what it is. But tomorrow, you guys are gonna come along with me, bro. I don't know if I'm bringing the big boy camera, but definitely gonna have the Meta glasses. It's my first time actually using them. So stick around, stay tuned. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tapping in. Let me know how your Air Jordan 4 release, Air Jordan 4 white cement release is going already. I'm interested in knowing, is it just me that forgot to confirm this pair, or I got a couple other people that slept, bro? I just feel bad because I just told all y'all, don't sleep. And look at me, bro. I didn't confirm my pair, man. What am I doing, bro? But it's all good. Tomorrow is the day, man. We're gonna get a pair of them Air Jordan 4 white cements. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.